The Bicentennial Park is a scenic and vast picnic grounds and recreation area within the Clark Freeport Zone in Pampanga. For kids and kids at heart, there is a play area that has swings, slides, seesaws. The park is a favorite place for nature lovers, picnic goers, or those who just want to hang out, as the area is lined with century-old acacia trees and lush greeneries. Visitors can also jog, ride bicycles, and exercise at the park's grounds. The Bicentennial Park is located along Jose Abad Santos Avenue. It is best to visit during the dry but cool months, which usually run from November to February. This allows you to enjoy the outdoor features of the park without it being rainy or too hot. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you.
Rockin adventurer.